Hey, I'm Jonas, Airtame co-founder. Super excited to show the Airtame application running on the Neat board in app hub mode. So you have this amazing display, great audio video ready to go. You have the Airtame application running. You can customize this outline as you want with signage content to have something informative. You have the little guide here on how to connect. So you can either, from a laptop, go to airtame.com/go and type in the pairing code, or use the brand new mobile app for iOS or Android. Type in the pairing code. Here we go. And now I have the choice to either share my screen, do a simple screen sharing session, or join a call. I will hit join call, and then I'm logged in with my personal calendar. So I get the video meetings that I'm invited to for the day, and that's across Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx. So I basically just find the meeting that I want to join, hit join meeting, and now the board is calling into Teams. So the board is running the call, for optimal performance, low latency. My mobile device is just a remote control for the board. So I still have access to, for example, toggle on and off the camera. I can screen share into the call if I want to. But again, the call is running on the board. That's the major performance indicator. So you can call out to Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx for optimal performance, but you still have remote control to the screen. Colleagues can also share their screen into the call without having to join the call first. So we have a little laptop here, and I can again type in the pairing code. Here we go, and then you can see it says share to call, so it registered that it's on a call already. Hit start screen sharing, and I can choose a window or the entire screen or whatever. Hit share screen, and now I'm sharing into the Teams call without having to be on the Teams call. And it works the same across Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx as well. When I'm done, I simply hit leave meeting, and the board is ready for the next session. Again, whether that's a video conferencing call or a screen sharing session, or just to show signage content. For more information, check out airtame.com/neat.